Hey guys, we're on two different lines. We have Chloe's YouTube channel. She's not YouTube channel. She's doing her TikTok. Hey guys, obviously we're shaking is because I'm really cold.
Me too. I'm so cold.
Because it's like 1 a.m. right now, and we're supposed to be asleep.
Yeah.
But because we couldn't sleep because these two woke me up.
Yeah, it's right now 1:29. And just be really
We're allowed to stay up. We're allowed to stay up, but we can't make that much noise because I don't know if we're allowed to make slime. Okay. I know. Okay, guys. So I'll be right back. You cannot touch anything because I'm gonna go use the restroom.
Okay. I'm gonna use the restroom too after you.
Let me use this restroom too.
Guys, we're gonna use the restroom. It's so bright.
I'll that next me.
Okay, yeah, because you really need to go. It's so freezing outside, guys. Anyways, it was today, but it's so dark out there. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Come in here. I want to do something. Come in here. I have a great idea. Come in here, Kylie.
I need to use the restroom.
Only Kylie.
Oh.
I need
to use the restroom. Wait, I need to use the restroom.
Wait, look.
Yeah. I don't know.
Let's just say,
I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back.
accidentally.
Oh my gosh, I'm so cold, guys. I'm shaking.
You accidentally clicked the emergency button in here.
Yeah, you click the USA one.
Yeah, that's the
You-
emergency button.
Yeah, that's the emergency one.
Which one?
You accidentally.
SOS.
Yeah.
Who? Me?
Yes, the emergency.
It was always there.
What?
Yeah.
That's not good though, because that means the emergency services are online with
But
you.
it's okay because I said no. I said no.
Mia, show your slime.
It's basically terrible right now. It literally turned into sweat.
Yeah, I am so cold right now, even though I feel like making slime.
I'm not cold.
You're not cold. I'm so cold. Like, look at this, guys. It's terrible now. It used to be perfect.
Yeah.
Isabel tried to eat my hair. It was crazy. Crazy. She did it every time. Okay, guys. So I'm trying to get out the container. I'm gonna take out my blue one, my brother's. Do you have this one? Chloe, yours is on the roll, but they can't see yours.
Yeah, mine nose should be like orange.
Yeah, they
Mine
can.
feels wet.
Exactly, it turns wet.
Did I feel that?
Yeah, this is my brother's.
Oh yeah. I have a little bit of it.
Okay, so we're about to make the slime. Oh, we have to be really quiet. Yeah, guys, we have to make the slime. My brother made a green slime, and it's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm playing with it right now. It's pretty cool, actually, I would
So
say.
we're gonna make slime right now.
Yes, but we have to be really quiet, and we cannot make a lot of noise.
So that's me.
We need to get spoons.
Yeah.
Let me get the spoons. 3 spoons.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah, plastic plates.
We have to use the bowl.
Wait, yeah. We can use the plate same as well.
No, because I think we should use this.
Sorry guys, it's at 20%. It's so clean.
Fine.
forks.
Huh?
I got some forks and stuff for that one. Okay, who wants a fork? Do you want the fork? Okay. Do you want the fork? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put the
First, the girl get the spoon.
Yeah. My stomach's hurting really bad.
Okay, can I get shown? Huh? Can I get shown the?
No, don't put this on there. Wait, oh, wait, do you have this? Wait, this is soft. Ow, ow.
Wait, can I feel it? Oh my god, that's actually soft.
It's really fluffy.
So we need the glue first.
Yeah, hold on. Let me put this back.
I can't get out the rest of the slime.
It's
I wanna
fine.
just sit here.
Sure, but we have to move the phone.
Yeah, let's just move the phone. Yeah.
Kylie, send me that video.
Yeah, hold on.
Do we need a shaving cream?
Let's sit here, but you have to be quiet.
My stomach's hurting really bad. My stomach's hurting really bad. You like this fork?
Huh?
Whose fork is that? Okay, so I'm gonna put the glue in.
I'll just use this.
Okay, let me put the glue in. Oh, you have some stuff.
Okay.
Here we go. Can I get you? This is so clean.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is so clean. Just telling you, there's no more yellow, Chloe.
Yeah.
Because my cousin used all of it. What color do you
I'm
want?
gonna do blue this time.
I'm gonna do.
Blue and
I'm gonna fix my other.
there's blue.
I'm gonna do purple.
There's blue. Get the blue and green.
She has green, purple. I really don't know. Wait, which color do you?
Oh my gosh.
I'm so sorry. Okay. My cousins are really messy. Okay, I'll get this one and I can.
Let me just open this. Oh, that's blue. Yeah, I know. Let me just. Here's green. Yeah, wait.
Mine's purple. Mine's gonna be
Purple. Yeah. Put the camera there. Thank you. Kind of here.
I can't see it. I need to go put on my glasses. I'll be right back.
Oh. See how the color works.
But thank goodness my mom didn't stay overnight. Because if not, we could have been not doing this.
Huh?
If my mom stayed here, we would have not been doing this right now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a very light blue. I mean, very light purple.
I'm trying to make like kind of like a greenish.
I don't really like the color.
Greenish
really like
blue.
it.
It's too dark for some reason.
Oh, if you put the shaving cream, it'll make it lighter.
What?
Oh, if you put the shaving cream, it'll make it lighter.
Oh yeah, shaving cream.
I'm gonna put more of it. I don't like the color. I want more.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Gosh, it's gonna be so dark. I want it very dark because.
I'm already kind of turning into slime because of this.
Can I get the baking soda?
Here. Mine's already kind of turning into slime. Because I already had slime in mine. I think I kind of like my color.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here. I need to put shade.
Oh, here's shaving cream. Okay, I think this is done for me. I'm coloring like this. And then we activate it. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty.
It looks like a lavender,
Yeah.
right? But I need more pigment.
I'm trying to do like kind of like a greenish blue.
I sort of want it like a lavender color, so I don't want it too dark, but I don't want it too light.
Yeah. I was meant to like kind of lighter.
That's how I do it.
it makes it look better for me. Can I get the hard one, the powder one?
Powder, just like
Yeah. But I'm so scared. I don't want to get in trouble. I want to get caught. You know that, right? I'm scared we can get in trouble.
it's okay. It's your birthday. Oh yeah. No, it's not your birthday, but sorry.
Wait, I need the liquid one.
Oh, activator.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll use baking soda.
Yeah, mine's kind of turning light. I'll put a lot of
Wait,
packets.
you have like my furniture with the slide.
Well, mine's already pink.
That was so
That's my whispering. So, okay, I'm gonna go get something. Just telling you there's a camera. There's a camera in here.
loud. Oh no. So later, he could see you doing.
I need to move this somewhere. Gee, I don't know where to put this. It's very sticky.
And now your bird will be fell asleep, maybe?
Huh?
What about her? No, I mean her parrot.
Let me go do this way.
Maybe he fell asleep. Oh my gosh. I think my turn kind of. Can you give me the activator, please? Thank you.
Hey, I was using it.
Oh. I think mine's turning into like slime.
Guys, use the knife. It's the best one to use.
I think that's ripping off.
I think there's a ghost watching us right now.
Yeah, because we are making a YouTube video right now. It's crazy though. It's crazy.
This is my first time filming that. Like,
With me though, you haven't filmed one with me yet. You haven't filmed one with me yet.
yeah. I've
Now you
never
are.
filmed this before.
Can I get the powder one now? Oh my gosh, Kylie's yours. I mean, Chloe's yours is